Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to turn on NFC on your Xiaomi 15T. So you can do that both in your settings and also in your quick settings panel. So let's use the quick settings panel first. Let's swipe down from the top right corner to enter this control center, and here from the list of functions you should see NFC. But if you do not see it like I do, then you have to tap this edit button right here, and from this control center icons you need to find NFC icon that is represented with the letter N, and you want to tap this plus icon, which will add this function to control center, and also you can arrange its position by moving it around, and then tap this arrow icon right here. And in order to turn it off, finally you just have to tap on it, and to turn off, tap again. And let's use settings application. You want to go to more connectivity options, and now tap on NFC, and here you can turn it on, and also some additional settings that you can customize. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.